Hey everyone, in this video, I wanted to talk to you about Simplii Financial and their Refer a Friend program. I have been with Simplii for some time now, and I will tell you that I am very happy that I made the switch. If you're looking for a great online banking solution, check out Simplii Financial. And one of the great things about it is the Refer a Friend program. With the Refer a Friend program, you can get $125 when your friends use your referral link and they get $50. It's a win-win situation, and I can guarantee you that it works. I've seen it for myself, and there's nothing better than getting that extra $125 dropped into your account when somebody uses your referral link. If you want to get started, all you have to do is set up a debit account with Simplii, and you can earn thousands of dollars. You can earn unlimited cash when you refer your friends to Simplii. And it's very straightforward. All you have to do is activate your unique Refer a Friend link. Let your friends know about the perks of joining Simplii, and you can start earning money. Earn $125 when your friend opens a no-fee checking account, high-interest savings account, cash back Visa card, or personal line of credit. So that's a pretty sweet deal. All you have to do is make sure that you sign up, and when you do, then you can come and accept the terms and conditions here, and you will be given your referral link, which you can then send out to your friends, and you can start making money. Again, I've used it. It's worked for me, and I can highly recommend it. So if you are interested in making some extra cash with your bank, check out Simplii Financial. It has been working for me, and I would say that it's a great solution. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips.